Hey you, do you struggle turning off your mind after a long day at work?
Make this essential oil roll-on for aromatic support to help you enjoy those quiet moments. To make this recipe, grab your August recipe box, find your labels and recipe card, and for this roll-on, we're gonna use Simply Earth's Peace and Quiet blend, lavender and peppermint essential oils.
It's gonna be really good. And for your big bonus box, you're gonna wanna grab one of your 10 milliliter roll-ons and fractionated coconut oil.
One of the things I love about making roll-ons is how quick and easy they are to make. So into our roll-on, we will add 3 drops of Peace and Quiet, 2 drops of lavender, and then 1 drop of peppermint. Then you can fill the rest of it with fractionated coconut oil to safely dilute the essential oil. Putting just essential oils on your skin is irritating, so we want to dilute it with a carrier oil like fractionated coconut oil. All right, so we'll add the cap, then we can shake it to mix it.
And don't forget your label.
Once you've got it labeled, you're ready to go. You'll know what's inside of it because of the handy label. Otherwise, you can end up with a whole bunch of essential oil bottles that you don't know what's inside. So definitely label it. You can apply it to pulse points when you're feeling stressed or need a moment to help calm your brain. Inhale deeply. And it smells so good, right? You're gonna love this recipe. So to get everything you need for it, subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box at simplyearth.com/box.
Thanks for watching. See you later.
All right, so to make our one,